For the first time since 2.5 seasons ago, I am digging out the chicken coop. And was it sinking? Wow, well, it wasn't really sinking, but these chickens lay down so much manure, and then the bedding that I clean out from the coop comes into here. It was 6 inches deep. Well, I have now dug it out. Well, what did I do with it? I put it into this raised bed. I didn't have any dirt to put inside this, so I just dug it right out of the chicken coop. I am aware of how hot chicken manure is, but I want to experiment and try to push it to the limit of what I can use.